All right, this is the WORKPRO 2-pack pliers organizer rack. Pliers not included. Company sent me this product to check it out and make video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely, boxed up real nice, and it was wrapped in plastic. And these things actually sit inside of each other, so easy to transport when they're empty. The pliers organizer is about 10 inches long from tab to tab right here, about 3.5 inches wide. And empty, it stands about 2 3/4 inches tall. It is a lightweight plastic. It weighs in at about 8 ounces. So it's easy to move around and it won't rust or corrode on you. A couple corners here, but the edges are relatively smooth everywhere, so you don't have to worry about hurting your hand. And they have a non-slip rubber base on the bottom, which actually works pretty good when the thing's filled up. It's not moving around, and you can feel the grip on it. There's also non-slip rubber grips inside of it here. So if you've got a tool in there, it cradles in there pretty nice. The organizer is designed to fit into drawers or toolboxes or shelves that are at least 3 inches high. These channel locks come up to the 2 3/4 inch mark, maybe a little bit above that, so you're going to want to give yourself just a little bit of space there. Each divider has 10 different compartments that measure out at about 0.8 inches wide. The spacing in here keeps everything separated for quick access. And obviously this can be used for more than pliers. This would be great for any hand tools that fit inside of the 0.8 inch wide slot. You could actually get a couple of different things in here if you wanted to. You know, in this case, you got wrenches, you can fit some screwdrivers in there, smaller profile screwdrivers. The guitar fret hammer will fit in there, all kinds of stuff. Here's some German pruners. Another thing that I think is really cool is that there are connectors on each end of the rack. You got like a female here and a male here. So if you wanted to, you can connect them together and keep on expanding if you've got the room for it. So there you go, a nice versatile set of pliers organizers that you can use alone or attached together. The spacing allows for a variety of tools other than pliers if you wish. Great for toolboxes or a shelf or just sitting on a flat surface. Very nice.